Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. I am kicking off Outfit of the Day, What We Wore video, where you get a week of outfits, a little bit of life in there, and a lot of PA weather. So I sure hope you stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. If you're new, I'm Laura. Wyatt is the white puppy dog. Xena is the tan puppy dog. She's not here today, she's sleeping in. But Harvey, the kitty cat, is in the room if you happen to see him go by. All right, so before I get right into Outfit of the Day, I am super excited because I have some new in products from Curie. So I showed you Curie last month. I introduced it, and I am super excited to show you my next group of pieces. So if you remember and you caught that video, Curie is all about natural products. So the owner, her name is Sarah. She's the inspiration and creator of these amazing products. She said that we launched our clean aluminum-free deodorant in 2018, grew a cult following, and then started to actually expand their products. She was frustrated by the fact that the natural products didn't work as well as the chemical-filled products, and she wanted to change all of that. And her products are amazing. They are completely natural. She has several different products now, starting with what I shared with you last time, which was their Pit Kit, which I loved. They had deodorant bar as well as a deodorant and body spray, which is amazing. I have been using it ever since I got it, and I am completely addicted. And then that one also came with a Pit mask that you could also use, I believe, on your face. So how cool is that? I didn't get a chance to use the mask yet, but I have used the deodorant and the deodorant spray, and now I am completely addicted, totally addicted. So I have new in pieces to share with you for me that I can't wait to get into. So let's do it. There's different options in which you can buy. You can buy each of these products by themselves, or you can buy them in a bundle. You can even do creating your own bundle, and a lot of these already come in a bundle. Hey, Harv. I don't know if you heard him. So this was like a create your own bundle type of thing. And if you did that, you would get a little bit of a discount on the items. For these three items that I picked, it would be $52, but we'll get into each one separately. So let's start with the moisturizing body and hair oil. It's $18 if bought by itself. And this one is the scent of white tea. It looks like it comes in coconut nectar, white tea, orange neroli, grapefruit, and juniper eucalyptus. Okay, so this one is in, as I mentioned, the white tea. It smells amazing. Smells amazing. You can see how it has the little squeeze tube there. And this one says, meet our new and improved moisturizing body and hair oil. Now made with skin and scalp loving ingredients like squalene and moringa oil. It's a 2-in-1 glow getter that provides deep hydration with a non-greasy finish. Used all over the body for a dreamy skin with a subtle scent, or as a hair oil, pre or post wash for soft strands. I love a multi-purpose product, so love that one. And then of course, because I loved the spray so much, I had to get another one. So this is the deodorant and body spray. This one is juniper eucalyptus. It is aluminum and baking soda free. Another one that smells amazing. This one comes in 6 different scents. Warm vanilla, which is what I shared with you last time. Love. Coconut nectar. This is white tea, the orange, the grapefruit, and the juniper as well. So it comes in all of those. You can pick. I absolutely love this. This I mentioned, this one is discounted if you get it in the bundle. But if you buy it by itself, it's $18, and the bundle would be $16. All right, and then the last one that I have for you is the Whipped Body Wash. This is hydrating body wash and shave cream. So notice how everything has like a dual purpose, which amazing. So this one is called their Whipped Body Wash. Comes in white tea or coconut nectar. This coconut nectar smells amazing. I wish you guys could totally smell it. It feels like I'm at a spa. It is $14. It's $14 by itself. Made with plant extracts, glycerin, and amino acids, and without harsh sulfates, parabens, or triclosan. This whipped velvety soap lathers to leave you clean, moisturized, and smelling downright delicious. Even better, it's a multitasker, and it doubles as a super smooth shaving cream. So I'm excited to use this one. I was really wanting to give the body wash and the shaving cream a try. This one is a 8-ounce container. Check that out again. Ugh. You just want to rub this all over you. It smells so good. It smells so good. So I'm probably going to have to try this scent in the body wash here, body spray here soon. I can't wait to try that. And then, of course, the hair oil as well. It's such an amazing scent, but they all smell really good. That's why I wanted to try some different ones for you this time around. So we all deserve to use amazing products that are good for you and good for the earth. So Curie is definitely a way to go when you're looking for those products. Of course, I have a discount code for you, LauraL15 for 15% off site-wide, so you can get additional savings off of each of these items. I love them. I've been using them since I got it. I'm so happy to expand to some more of the products to give them a try. So you'll stay tuned to hear a lot more, but totally am in love with these products. I'll put all the information down below for you in case you would like to check any of them out. Yeah, and I'll put my discount code down below as well. In love. All right, I'm wearing them today. So I have the warm vanilla body spray and deodorant spray on today. And I've been wearing it, like I said, ever since I got it. I really liked the regular deodorant. And then once I tried the deodorant and body spray, I kind of fell in love with it, and I've been switching to just that one. But perfect pieces, you can travel with them. This deodorant and body spray wash comes in a 3-ounce, so it's perfect for packing as well. All right, so outfit of the day today, let's get into that. It's Easter morning. I hope everyone has an amazing day. And I am dressed pretty casually, but I did go with kind of a springy theme here. We're just having dinner with family, so it'll be low key. I have on Dear John pants from a Wantable, a Driftwood denim jacket with this fun embroider, also from a Wantable. Then I have a Michael Stars long sleeve tee on. I think I got it at Bloomingdales. And for shoes, I have on these Seychelles, which I'm in love with. And I also have a gold belt on, which I got a while ago from the loft. For jewelry, just gold hoops. And yeah, I didn't put a necklace on, bracelets you guys have seen before. And that's my outfit. All right, well, I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. Just Wyatt is joining me. He follows me everywhere though. Zena's asleep in her bed. Harvey's downstairs, I think. And my front door fashion posted today, it was such a good one, right? I can't decide what to keep yet, so I'm going to have to let you know here in the next day or so. But it was such a good one. My stylist has been just getting better and better. So Rachel's amazing. And let's see, it is a 59-degree day, so it's got up to 61. There's no sun though, but it was pouring this morning. So luckily that has cleared up and it looks much better, like the sun's trying to come out, but it's a cloudy day. And for outfit of the day today, I chose a Spiritual Gangster sweater. It's a little holey, so I put one of my Ebby bralettes under it. Loving my Ebbies. This one is from Trendsend, and then I have on Cut from the Cloth pants, also from Trendsend. Put on my Corkies, you've seen before, from Nordstrom. And for jewelry, I have on my Rocksbox earrings, you may remember from my latest collection. And then I have Ana Luisa rings on and bracelets you guys have seen before. And that's my outfit today. All right, I got to get back to it. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. It's only 55 degrees. It's supposed to get up to 68, but it is pouring. It hasn't stopped raining for 2 days. It is dark outside, overcast, just yucky. Yucky. So dark. And let's see, for outfit of the day today, I chose a loft outfit, loft sweater, loft denim. I did put on one of my amazing Ebby bralettes. Love these. I think gives it a nice pop of extra color there. And then for shoes, I have on Dolce Vita that I got in a Trendsend. Love these. Got them a couple years ago, I think now. And for jewelry, I just have on gold hoops, my initial necklaces, and bracelets you've seen before. And that's my outfit today. All right, so hopefully the sun comes out. I think it's supposed to by Thursday, so I'm looking forward to that. And I'll see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday. Feels like Friday. I don't know how it is only Wednesday, but it is only Wednesday. It is still raining. Been raining for days, windy, thunderstorms last night. It's 50 degrees. It's supposed to get up to 54, so a little chillier than yesterday. Just Wyatt's joining me today. You want to say hi? I know, it feels like Friday. It feels like we should be doing happy dance, huh? Zena's sound asleep. I just didn't have it in me to wake her up. She just sleeps so soundly, that dog. And Harvey is downstairs. He's prowling. And spring is here. The birds are out. It smells like spring. I love it. So for after the day today, I have on Liverpool denim and a Skies Are Blue blazer from Wantable. Paired it with a long sleeve tee from Mott Bow and my fun Lucky Brand shoes you've seen before. I really enjoy these. And for jewelry, gold hoops, a Rocksbox necklace, a ring that I can't remember where I got this, but I got it a while ago, and bracelets you've seen before. And that's my outfit today. And my Z Supply video posted today. Love that. It was a fun little haul. I'm really enjoying each of the pieces, so I hope you check it out. It was a fun one. And I did decide, where did I put it? Oh yeah, here. I did decide on what I'm keeping from my front door fashion. So I did end up keeping, and I love that. If you didn't check it out, check it out. It was so good. I really had such a hard time trying to decide. So a few things to go over. First outfit. I only kept the jeans. I know I don't need jeans, but I really like them. They fit well. I kept them. And then for the outfit between, did I want to keep the pantsuit, the jumpsuit, or the dress? I went for the jumpsuit. I thought I could get more wear out of that one, and it fit so well. The dress I felt was, I don't know, it was great. And I really went back and forth a lot. But I thought that it was a little bit more on the dressy side, and I have less occasions to wear that. So I didn't keep the dress. I did keep the blazer. I got a price match, so thank you, thank you, thank you to the person who let me know that this was on sale at Nordstrom, so they price matched that. Awesome. And then on the first outfit, going back again, the tank, the green teal tank, they're trying to exchange that for me. So right now it's in somebody's box, so I have to wait and see if it gets returned or not. So we'll see if I get it. And then for the pink dress and the really pretty Susanna Monaco jacket, the Moto jacket, which was amazing, in a really pretty pinky purple color, but that was too big. I didn't keep the dress. I feel like I have some Michael Stars dresses that are similar, so I didn't keep the dress. With the jacket, I had asked if she had an extra small. They do, but it's also in a box. So we'll see if somebody keeps it. But as an alternative, she suggested this really pretty blue color. It's like a tealy blue. It is really concentrated, very pretty. And I decided to go for that one instead. So I love the flexibility. I love the fact that they do the price matching. So I'm really enjoying this service, and my stylist Rachel did an amazing, amazing job. All right, so I think that's a wrap. I covered everything, got you all caught up, and tomorrow we're one day closer to Happy Dance. Hey everybody, it's Friday. We did it. How are you doing, buddy? Why is giving kisses? We're gonna turn this into Friday Kisses, huh? Friday Kisses. Zena's asleep. I don't know where Harvey is. It's been a rough start to the morning, actually. My dad called me, wanted to go to the hospital, so that's what we did. He's having some more problems. I'm hoping he'll be okay once we figure out what they are, but nothing ever gets solved overnight, that's for sure. So thank you to everyone who has sent him all kinds of good wishes. He's slowly getting over the stroke, although that's something we watch all the time. And then he now is having some other complications. So we shall see how it goes. Hoping everything goes well. Let's see. So for outfit of the day today, I got up for one reason, and your day gets completely blown apart and you end up doing other stuff. But luckily I picked something that was really comfortable. I just have on a Goldie pants. These I got in a Trendsend, I think a year ago. A Recycled Karma t-shirt. Love me some Aerosmith. This is also from, I believe this one is also from a Trendsend. And then I paired it with this awesome jacket from Z Supply. It's nice, cozy. I got it directly from Z Supply. And I put on these shoes, which are just an easy slide, from Dolce Vita. It's cold today. It is only 38 degrees and the wind is blowing and it's raining, and there was a little bit of snow. Like, it's just being a little crazy right now. So it is chillier than I was expecting it to be. All right, well, that's a wrap. I have to get back to all the stuff that's going on today and deal with that. And I'll be back tomorrow with final outfit of the day. Hey, everybody. It is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. Wyatt and Zena both joining me this morning. And let's see, it is cold. It's 40 degrees outside. It's going to get up to 50. That's the high. It is very cloudy and overcast. I'm not really seeing any sun, I don't think, today. I do think it's supposed to get warmer this coming week. So we shall see what happens there. It's a travel week for me next week, so it probably will be nice outside, which is good. You want to travel when it's nice out, right? Let's see, for today's video, it was my Wantable spring preview edit. And while I thought it wasn't bad, I didn't think there was anything in there that really spoke to me. So I ended up sending it all back. I do love Wantable. I love their edits. It can't go perfectly every time. So I think this one just wasn't quite right for me. But typically, I end up keeping 1 to 5 pieces out of their collections. They do such a great job. In case you can't hear Zena, she is making a lot of noise. Wyatt is blocking her, and she totally wants treats. That's what this is all about. She wants treats, so that'll make her happy. And for outfit of the day today, I have on Good American denim from my latest front door fashion. I love Good American. They feel so nice on. And I went with the casual look, so they have the distressing. A Z Supply long sleeve shirt because it is still chilly outside. This one is from a Wantable. And then this All Saints jacket from, I got on sale from Bloomingdales. Love this as well. My shoes are the same as yesterday because they're just going with everything I'm picking right now. Dolce Vita, got them at Evereve. It's quite some time ago now. And for jewelry, I just did my gold hoops. I have a necklace that my husband got me. I think most of my jewelry is my husband got me. My bracelets you've seen before. I included one that was my mom's this time as well. And that's a wrap. I will put all of these outfits down below. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I will list the boxes for you so you have an opportunity to check them out if you're interested. And I can't wait to hear what your favorite is. So please tell me, which one did you like the best? All right. Thanks for hanging out with me. This was fun. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.